Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word catapults. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The army used powerful catapults to launch large rocks at the opposing castle during the medieval battle. Catapults are ancient military devices used for hurling objects like stones or arrows. They work by storing energy and releasing it to launch the object. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.